Hey everybody, it's Andy here. Thought we'd do something totally different today. This is the mall, Jamestown Mall. It's kind of a place where I used to hang out as a kid. We'd go to the video game place. My mom would take me up here, go to movies here. Spent hours and hours here as a kid. So thought we'd just come here, check it out today. It's been, I think it started in 1973. And then it closed, the final store closed its door in 2014. So it's been vacant 6 years or so, and a lot of it much longer than that. So I thought we'd just come get some aerial footage with the drone and then see what we could see before it's demolished.
Alright, as Andy says, we're checking out this vacant mall. So please give a like for this channel, subscribe and share. It really helps with our analytics with your comments and your likes. So we really appreciate it.
We may have to check out with the Mini what's in that open window. What do you think? Should we send it that way?
We got something.
All right, we're gonna go see what's in that window up there. What do you think?
We'll see.
We'll see. All right. All right, there's nothing to see here because that's totally boarded up.
Somebody drew a little car.
I see Iron Man over there.
Somebody drew a car and maybe a clown.
Yeah. So what'd you think?
It was pretty neat. I don't think I have ever been to this mall when it was actually open. My family lives 30 miles away from where we live now, so there was really no reason for me to go to this mall. So I don't know, but it was pretty, and I think we saw an eagle flying around. Unfortunately, we could not capture that because the phone was controlling the drone. But what do you think?
Well, I thought this was cool because, you know, I've been up here so many times. This was my hangout place. We did get to fly up to a window, and we're not really sure what building that was, but we saw into the stairwell. And then what was, I think, Famous Bar years ago, we flew up to all those broken windows, and then we were able to actually look in, and that used to be a restaurant in there, so that was cool. Saw the cinema. The food court is kind of, I mean, the front doesn't look the same anymore.
That's a nice graffiti.
Nice graffiti. Anyway, so thanks for coming along with us. Again, be sure to give us a thumbs up because that helps a lot. YouTube will suggest our videos more. And then please, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to help us out. And then you'll see all of our adventures. Thanks for watching, everybody. You blew my mind. 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 You blew my mind.